Welcome. Today, we explore the timeless elegance of neoclassic interior design. Get ready to discover how to bring this luxurious yet highly livable style into your own home. Let's walk through the fundamentals of creating a stunning neoclassic space. So, what exactly is neoclassic style? It's where historical grandeur meets modern living. Born in the 18th century, it draws heavy inspiration from the classical art of Greece and Rome. It completely rejects the excess of previous eras, focusing instead on strict order, proportion, and balance. The result is an incredibly sophisticated, refined atmosphere that never goes out of style. The absolute most important key feature of neoclassic design is strict symmetry and visual balance. You will also see extensive use of architectural details like elegant wainscoting, boiserie, and crown molding. Lighting makes a grand statement here, usually featuring a magnificent crystal chandelier as a focal point. Look for classical motifs like Greek keys, acanthus leaves, and elegant urns seamlessly integrated into the decor. Now let's talk about the neoclassic color palette. It is fundamentally soft, muted, and incredibly soothing to the eye. The foundation relies heavily on whites, creams, and ivories, creating a bright, expansive, and clean background. Soft grays, warm tops, and muted beiges are layered in to add subtle depth and warmth without overwhelming the space. For contrast, rich but muted accent colors like deep navy, forest green, or subtle burgundy are used sparingly. Moving on to materials, high-quality, polished woods like mahogany, oak, and walnut are absolute staples of this style. Luxurious natural stone, particularly white marble with subtle veining, is used extensively for floors and surfaces. Upholstery and window treatments feature rich, tactile fabrics like heavy silk, plush velvet, and high-quality linen. Metallic accents are crucial. You'll frequently see brushed brass, gold leaf, and polished silver adding a touch of glamour. Finally, large mirrors with ornate frames and crystal glass elements are strategically placed to maximize light and space. Let's explore how to apply this stunning style room by room, starting with the heart of the home. In the living room, establish a strong focal point like a carved marble fireplace or a large, ornate mirror. Arrange your seating symmetrically. Two identical sofas facing each other create perfect visual balance and order. Elevate the space by layering rich textures. Combine velvet upholstery with flowing silk drapes and a plush wool rug. Moving to the bedroom, the goal is to create a serene, luxurious sanctuary using a muted, soothing color palette. Anchor the room with a grand bed featuring a tall, tufted headboard in a luxurious fabric like velvet or linen. Frame the bed with matching nightstands and elegant table lamps to reinforce the neoclassic principle of symmetry. Incorporate classic storage solutions like an ornate wooden armoire or paneled built-in wardrobes with brass hardware. Dress your windows heavily. Floor-to-ceiling, silk, or damask drapes add instant height and dramatic elegance. If space allows, add a small, symmetrical seating area near the window for a quiet, private, luxurious retreat. Transitioning to the kitchen, neoclassic design perfectly blends modern culinary needs with timeless, elegant aesthetics. Opt for tall, paneled wooden cabinetry painted in crisp white or soft cream, reaching all the way to the ceiling. A massive central island with a thick marble countertop and carved architectural details anchors the entire kitchen space. Elevate the space with luxurious hardware. Polished brass or gold fixtures add incredible warmth and high-end sophistication. Ditch standard lighting. Symmetrical brass lanterns or crystal chandeliers over the island provide the perfect, elegant touch. Finally, let's step into the bathroom. In a neoclassic home, this space should feel like a luxurious, private spa retreat. Make a statement with a classic freestanding bathtub, placed dead center to maintain the room's strict, symmetrical balance. Install a grand double vanity with a marble countertop, framed by tall, ornate mirrors and elegant, symmetrical wall sconces. Even the shower gets an upgrade. Use extensive marble tiling with subtle, classical borders and exposed brass plumbing fixtures. Complete the luxurious spa feel with plush, thick towels, crystal accessories, and a small, velvet-upholstered vanity stool. Tip number 1, practice restraint. Neoclassic design thrives on open space and avoiding unnecessary clutter. Tip 2, invest in quality. One stunning, well-crafted antique or high-end reproduction is better than many cheap items. Tip 3, master the scale. Hang draperies high to emphasize tall ceilings and ensure your furniture matches the room's size. Tip 4, mix eras. A bold piece of modern abstract art placed inside an ornate antique gold frame creates a stunning look. Tip 5, anchor your spaces. Use large, high-quality vintage or Persian-style rugs to define zones in open-plan areas. Tip 6, fake the architecture. Install DIY wainscoting and crown molding to give a plain, basic room instant historical depth. Tip 7, keep flooring consistent. Running the same marble or parquet wood throughout the home creates a massive, unified space. Neoclassic design is truly the pinnacle of timeless elegance. It proves that true sophistication never goes out of style. By embracing symmetry, luxurious materials, and classical proportions, you can create a grand yet deeply comforting home. Thank you for joining our Neoclassic home tour. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more interior design inspiration.